Yes, my people, what is good? Welcome back to the channel. So I haven't done one of these videos in a while, and I think it's about time I updated you on my current sneaker portfolio, what I'm holding. We're going to be running through that in this video. So 2021 has been a buyer's market. Not many drops have been increasing in value. However, with that being said, I do think that is a good thing, because if anyone wants a pair of sneakers, they'll be able to go out and buy them for a decent price. However, with that said, there are still a few sneakers that released this year that I think are going to increase in value, and I'm going to be going through my top 3 in this video. So let's get it. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Let's get into the first sneaker, which is the Nike Dunk Low in the black white colorway. Man, what can I say about this shoe? It keeps getting restocked and the prices have been staying the same, around about that 190 to 200 mark, and I don't expect that to go down. As soon as these stop restocking, I expect these to be a 220 to around 250 shoe in most sizes, and that is simply because, in my opinion, this is definitely the best dunk to be released this year. This colorway is just incredible. You can wear this with absolutely any outfit and it will still go. And for that reason, this shoe will continue to be in demand. You can't go wrong with this. That's why I doubled up. I've got my size and I've got a smaller size in this as well. I had to. As soon as these restock, you have to get yourself a pair of these, because I reckon these are going to go up around the Christmas time as well. These are definitely going to go up in value. So I'm holding on to these for the long run. These are absolutely incredible. The only thing, as I said before, if you've been watching the videos, you know I'm not a big fan of the 2021 dunks because of the materials. But this is a really nice colorway. And this retailed for £89 or $100 in the US. You really can't go wrong at that price point as well. So the first sneaker is the Nike Dunk Low in the black white colorway. So the second shoe we're going to look at today is a Jordan 1 that released this year, which I think is really underpriced, undervalued at the moment. And for me, this shoe, with the presentation, the materials, the overall aesthetic of the shoe, it is definitely one to watch, definitely one to keep an eye on, and that is the Pollens. For me, this shoe is absolutely incredible. The design of the classic Jordan 1 with this colorway just makes it incredible. The materials on here as well, you get some premium leather. Some of the really nice leather I've seen on a Jordan 1 over the last year or so. This leather is right up there with the best Jordan 1s that was released in the last couple of years. It's a really incredible shoe, and I'm just surprised at the price, what you can pick these up for at the moment. You pick these up for an absolute steal. I doubled up on these because they restocked recently as well. Prices are still staying around the same, around that 200 mark as well. I expect that to go up around Christmas time, so give it a few months, I expect that to go up. So this is definitely one to keep an eye on when it comes to restocking. I would suggest going for the smaller sizes if you can, but any sizes in these up to, say, a US 11 will do very well in my opinion. I think these will definitely go up in value. These are just too nice. The colorway is right out there as well, makes this shoe really decent. So the next shoe we're going to look at is the most expensive shoe on the list, which is the most expensive for retail and for resale, and it's the Fragment Sakai Waffles. This is one of the nicest shoes to be released this year. Obviously, these dropped in a 2-pack with the navy pair and the grey pair. Personally, I prefer that navy pair. I don't know what it is, but judging by the poll I put on my Instagram, everyone loves this pair even more, and you can see that from the resale prices. The resale on these are absolutely incredible, and I expect these to hit that 400 mark in the next few months. So these are definitely one to hold on to for the long term. I'm definitely going to rock the navy ones because those are the ones I actually wanted, but I'm going to hold on to these for the long run to see what they go for, because the waffles notoriously are really good when it comes to holding value. All the ones that released in the past have been really good on resale, so I expect these to do the same. I'm not sure if the Fragment collaboration with this will make the resale any better. I don't think it will, because in my opinion, I just think it was just too much. And I am not a big fan of all these triple collaborations. I'm not really here for it, but I'm just here for the shoe. And anytime we get a waffle, you know it's a really good release, and this was no different. The waffle is just a really nice shoe, and I do expect these to definitely go up in value, and that's why I'm going to be holding on to them. So that's it, people. Those were my current holds. Hit me in the comments to let me know what you're holding for the long term. I have got a few more videos coming this week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Peace, people.